Hey, to change lock screen wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, you have to click and hold with your finger on the empty space in the home screen, then select wallpaper and the style, and now you have to select your lock screen. And now from this, you have to click on the wallpapers in the left upper corner, and first of all we can actually find some default wallpapers. Also we can find more default wallpapers, the simple colors, and also we can activate the automatic wallpaper change by selecting this dynamic lock screen. But if you want to get, for example, your own photo on the wallpaper, you have to go to the gallery, select something, let's say that I want to get like this thumbnail, and now I have to click done. After this, I can set this wallpaper and click done in the right upper corner. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.